Hello, I am Abhishek. The question is, I do know that blank does not have very much to do with possessions, power or fame, at least in the blank sense. Solution. On reading this sentence, we find the keywords to be possessions, power or fame, and we can say that it has got to do with either happiness or capitalism. But going by the contextual meaning of the sentence, here happiness is more appropriate than capitalistic. Therefore, we can eliminate option number 2 as the answer. We can also eliminate option number 1 and 4 easily because altruism and psychology does not fit at all contextually in the first blank. Therefore, we are left with option number 3, which is the correct answer. I do know that happiness does not have very much to do with possessions, power or fame, at least in the basic sense. It actually makes a meaningful sentence. Thank you. Hello, I am Abhishek. The question is, the creative minority is blank, which is composed of people who keep the spark of hope and blank in the middle of despair and ambiguity. Solution. On reading this sentence, we can easily conclude that hope and blank, the word in the blank has to be in relation or almost synonymous with that of hope, and it has to be the antonym or opposite of the words despair and ambiguity. Among the given options, optimism is the most appropriate to fill the blank. That's why we eliminate option number 1, 2 and 3 as the answers. Therefore, answer is option number 4. Let us read the sentence and get the entire meaning. The creative minority is negligible, means the numbers are few, which is composed of people who keep the spark of hope and optimism in the middle of despair and ambiguity. A meaningful sentence exists, and therefore option 4 is taken as the correct alternative. Thank you. Hello, I am Abhishek. The question is, a philosopher once said that a youth without blank is the same as psychological blank. Solution. The easiest way to solve this question is to eliminate those options which does not fill the second blank of this sentence. Let us take option number 1. Psychological disability. It does not relate to money given in first blank. Therefore, we eliminate option 1. Option 2. Psychological nutshell. It does not make any sense at all. Therefore, we eliminate it. Option number 4. Psychological worthlessness. It does not relate to a person's career. Therefore, we eliminate this option 2. Ultimately, we are left with option number 3, which is our answer. A philosopher once said that a youth without dreams is the same as psychological suicide. Yes, it is the correct answer. Therefore, option number 3 will be taken as the correct alternative. Thank you. Hello, I am Abhishek. The question is, unfortunately, one of the side effects of this newly found blank is wasteful spending, a trend which has spread through society like blank disease. Solution. On reading this sentence, we get the keyword as wasteful spending. Now, it is possible to go for wasteful spending only if we have sufficient resources or we are prosper. On this basis, we can eliminate option number 2 and 3 because it consists of security and philosophy, which are wrong contextually. Going by the second blank, a trend which has spread through society like, it can be either mental disease or communicable disease. Communicable disease means spreading through one person to another. This meaning makes a better sense than mental disease, which in any case does not fit. Therefore, we eliminate option 1 and go for option 4, which makes the entire sentence meaningful. Thank you. Hello, I am Abhishek. The question is, The blank basis for the creation of a secular society and polity was conceived, elaborated, and blank during the course of the 19th century. Solution. On reading this sentence, we come to know that it is talking about an idea which had been conceived, elaborated, and blank. And the first blank can be obtained by the elimination of wrong options. We can eliminate option number 1, which says inordinate basis. Inordinate means excessive or disorderly. Therefore, it does not make any sense in the first blank of the sentence. And secondly, we can eliminate option number 4 because superficial basis would be wrong here, as the idea had been conceived and elaborated, so it no longer remains superficial. Between option 2 and 3, option 2 contains installed, which is wrong because the idea cannot be installed. It can be disseminated as given in option number 3. Disseminate means to spread through. Therefore, option 2 is also eliminated, and we get option number 3 as the most appropriate answer. Thank you.